Today we've got another LED bar. Another LED bar. I know that there's just hundreds of these, but this one has caught my eye. This is a brand new product from QTX and it's called the BatBar-100. Let's have a look at it. Right then, what's different about this one? Well, it's battery powered. Yes, indeed, it's battery powered, which makes it a slightly more interesting proposition for an LED bar. Right, this should be a really quick video because it's a simple item, but this just happens to be wireless. Now, let me get you across straight away. There's no wireless DMX on this. No wireless DMX, so if you're looking for wireless DMX, keep scrolling. This is not the product for you. But if you want an LED bar that's battery powered and at a reasonable price, this is the product for you because the price is right. If you want some pricing information, click the link in the description of the video. It'll take you through to our website. Also, ring the bell and click subscribe. It really helps. And as you know, I need all the help I can get. Right then, what is it? 1 meter bar, full metal construction, LED, 24 LEDs, RGBW, red, green, blue and white. Right, let's get down to the nitty gritty. Well, beam angle 35 degrees, DMX channels 6, 9, 16, 30 and 58. So I reckon you can take old control of most of these LEDs. So for those who like to use DMX, interesting proposition. Now, I know I said it's not wireless DMX, but you could. I know there's a lot of rechargeable USB dongles out there. And I think if you put some USB dongles into this as a receiver, and then you had a transmitter from your desk, it could be wireless. It could be wireless. So it's not built-in wireless, but you could modify it in your own way with your own USB rechargeable, not USB, sorry, 3-pin XLR rechargeable DMX dongles. I believe Chauvet do some. It would be the DeFi range. Take a look at that. Right then, just coming to the back of the unit, just so we know, right? We've got a switch here for the power. We've got power con in, power con out, 3-pin XLR in, 3-pin XLR out. Dead simple. Comes with the little feet on the end as well. Right. What we want to know is how long does it last, Mike? How long does it last on the battery? Right. Well, it takes 5 hours to charge it up, and in a single colour, it'll last up to 8 hours. And I'd class that as a single colour. So we're talking about the red, the green, the blue, or the white. If you start mixing colours, so say you wanted to put it on in a pink, you're mixing the colours, that is going to change the amount of time because there's more LEDs on it, it's drawing more power. But in a single colour, up to 8 hours. In auto mode, up to 6 hours. But let me show you the auto modes, because I have had a little bit of a test on this, and the auto modes are really, really good. So let me just go enter there. Right, I had that particular program on the other day, so I tested this and it worked up to the 6 hours, no problemo. Actually worked perfectly. But there is some of the auto programs, if I just press enter here, sorry, go back to here, auto, enter, where there's LEDs on all the time, yeah, and it didn't last quite as long. But I believe I got about 4.5, 5 hours out of it, which again is quite acceptable. So different programs will give you different lengths of time. So this program, yeah, I think it'll do 6 hours all day long. In fact, I'm sure that was one of the programs I had on the other day, and it worked perfectly, worked absolutely perfectly. It's another one that's quite interesting. You can remove this foot off the end, he says. I'm going to turn it off, why? Because it's blinding me. It's too bright, it's too bright. Right, so take that off there. You can buy as an optional extra, and these are on our website. I'll put the link in the description, or if you go to our website, it's a BRAC 025. BRAC 025. It's a little foot. You put the foot on there like that. And then you can have it standing up. Perfect. It should come on. Does it come on? Yes, it's come on. Yeah. Right. Going back to the programs, we have got, I'll tell you how many we've got. I'll take that off there. Should have done this first. Right. So, auto programs. I'm just going to tell you how many there is. Auto, enter. There's 16 different auto programs. There's 15 different preset colours. You can flick through them. I'm not going to go through them all. And you can do your own manual colour mixing as well. It'll work master slave, it's sound to light as well, it's all the usual suspects that you would expect from an LED bar, apart from this one, is battery powered. And what caught my eyes, yeah, it's battery powered, and it's the price point it's at. I think that wraps it up really. A nice simple video, a nice simple product, but really nicely made. I think it's a winner. Cheers.